This video will demonstrate how to install a Driftwood Logset and Woodland media kit into Napoleon's Galaxy outdoor gas fireplace. A bracket is supplied with the Logset, which will not be needed for this installation and can be discarded. Before installing the logs, refer to the Galaxy's installation manual, where you will find a diagram for suggested log placement. The logs can be placed as shown in the manual, making sure not to cover the burner or pilot housing. Flame impingement may cause carboning, which will require the log to be moved away from the flame. Once installed, check that the diagram in the installation manual matches the placement of the logs within the firebox. The glass media from the Woodland media kit should then be mixed together and washed with warm water and a mild dish soap to remove the fine oil residue resulting from the manufacturing process. Once washed, dry the glass with a microfiber cloth, then spread it evenly across the media tray and around the logs and burner. Locate the glowing embers and break them into small pieces before spreading them across the burner. Avoid covering the large burner ports, as this will affect flame height. Next, place the splinters across the entire media tray and around the logs. Strategically place the rocks around the logs on top of the splinters to create highlights throughout the media tray. Spread the charcoal pieces throughout the media tray and the base of the logs, ensuring no pieces are covering the burner. Ensure to cover the entire media tray to create a realistic ember bed effect. Now spread the vermiculite throughout the other media to highlight and create contrast throughout the ember bed. Next, test fire the appliance to check placement of the media. Ensure none of the logs are impinging on the flames and the logs cross the burner in a valley where the flames are lower across the burner. Logs crossing over the flames at a peak will cause carboning and affects the overall aesthetic of the fireplace. Once correct placement of the logs is confirmed, the wind guards can be installed to finalize the media installation. Find this video helpful? Subscribe to the Wolf Steel technical page for more installation and troubleshooting videos.